So for those of you that don't have a PC, just make use of your phone by going through this method. Just search for, probably you've downloaded it before, OKX. I'm sure you've downloaded it before. If you haven't downloaded it, just go and download it. Now click on wallet, log in, and don't make use of exchange, make use of wallet. Now once you're on this page, the next thing you'll be doing is you can just select, probably you might be having just one account, but in my own case I have multiple accounts, so that's why I'm selecting wallet A account 01. So in your own case it can also be this as well, because probably you just created the account. Now the next thing to do is to click on discover. Click on discover, then at the browsing part just type in Nodepay. Then click on return or search, confirm. So it's searching Google, so now click on this first Nodepay. Now just scroll down and click on get started. Now from this get started, just click on login since you already have an account. Now log in your account. Okay, then the password. Okay, then you click on verify, then access. So now that I'm logged in, you get this screen. Now click on cancel. Now just click on, in case you are not seeing this mission and earnings or more, if you are not seeing more, if you are not seeing this more button, just click on these three dots at the bottom right. Then right here you click on switch to desktop mode. Now once you switch to desktop mode, it will give you this particular screen that is loading up now. So just click on earnings, and right here make sure you first verify your email. Make sure your email is verified. Now click on connect, and you can see it shows that it detects OKX. Now click on OKX. You can also use Phantom for this same method. Just go to Phantom browser, so just click on this. You can see it's now connected. Now mark this, then click on verify. So it has chosen that wallet A account 1. So click on confirm, verify with your face. You can see wallet is now linked. Now you need to confirm the wallet, so click on confirm, click on send email. Now just go and open up your email account. Okay, so this is it. It has already popped up here, so just let it open up. Now you copy the link. You will not just click on it, you copy the link, you come back to OKX, then at your browser place, cancel what is already there, then paste the new link you just copied from Gmail. Now it's saying the link is not saved, blah blah blah. Suspected. Okay, let's go back. I want it to just go. It doesn't need, it's still saying the link is not saved. Okay, so what's another way to go about this particular step is to now go to your Chrome browser. Now go to your Chrome browser and try to log in your account. So just try to log in your account. I was thinking that would work, but it didn't, so there's always another way. So log into using your Chrome browser. So right now just log in, follow the step and log in. Now once you are logged in, click on the dashboard and paste that particular address. Now it should go through. Now you can return to dashboard. So once you click on return to dashboard, it has linked. Now you can go back to OKX. Now cancel this particular screen and reload. You will see the reload button at the bottom right, just after those three dots. So just click on the reload, and right here you should see that it is now linked. So go back to earning. So you can see I've linked the three accounts right now. So I've done the wallet creation right now. So that's it for that. That's how to link your wallet using your mobile phone.